Hi, I'm Driana and part of the sales and marketing team here at Time7. Today I would like to talk to you about our Connector Protection Backplate, specifically designed for the A5020 antenna. The compact, attractive A5020 is made from UV-resistant ABS and possesses the physical strengths of traditional rugged industrial antennas. It's IP68 rated, so it's water and dust proof. If you're looking for a rugged antenna for industrial applications, this is the right choice. Some industrial applications require the SMA connector of the A5020 antenna to be protected from knocks and hits from moving machinery within the work environment. For this reason, we have designed the Connector Protection Backplate. This backplate easily attaches to the rear of the antenna and is then ready for flush mount or for VESA mount. Let me show you how to mount it. To mount the connector protection plate, you choose your cable that you would connect your antenna with and feed it through this slot here. Then you take the antenna and attach the cable to the connector. You then align the holes of the A5020 with the holes of the connector protection backplate, and it's ready to flush mount. The connector protection backplate can also be VESA mounted. For this, you follow the same steps as if you were flush mounting it. Once the holes are aligned, you take the VESA mount, align the holes of that with the ones of the antenna and the connector protection backplate. You use M6 bolts and attach it. The slots on the back of the connector protection backplate allow for accessory cables to be routed either behind the antenna or sideways.